bouncy curls in a sucker at 12:45 in the morning. What more could a girl ask for? This is about the product, girl. You over here showing the sucker. Hold up. So I am starting out on heatless stretched hair. I use my handheld steamer to get rid of some of the definition that I had from a twist out that I did. And then I banded it. So this is what I am looking like. I'm loving the shape. I freshly trimmed ends. And today. Have not used this, very excited to try it. Have not seen any reviews on it or anything like that because I want to try it myself. Besides when Whitney, aka Natural 85, of course, whenever she, tried it on her hair, I was all, glued in. She is my hands down my favorite YouTuber. She has been from the beginning. I'm going to include one of her DIYs today in conjunction with this because she said this is a lot like the shea butter that she makes DIY. And she has a very, very popular video, and one that I love to watch her do is her how to cheat a FlexiRod. And we're cheating a FlexiRod today on this heatless stretched hair. Yeah. So I have some handy dandy Flaxseed Gel here. And I follow her recipe to make it. I just made this about an hour ago, so it's cooled down. And yeah, this is what we're looking like. So I will be using this in conjunction with it just because I do want to follow her tutorial on how to cheat a FlexiRod set. So I am using Natural 85's method with her product just to see how it works. Now, I have not tried this product on my hair at all. I ordered 3 of these bad boys and doesn't really have a scent. I can kind of pick up a scent of the, cocoa seed butter. Cocoa butter is all I smell. Yeah, that's all I'm really picking up. So it's not a very strong scent at all. So if you're worried about people who are concerned about scents, you don't have to worry about that because this is very, very, very mild scent. So I'm going to start like she did and section my hair. I'm definitely excited to try this. So I'm going to stop talking and go ahead and get this video started. All right, got me some handy Flaxseed Gel and I'm going to be using this FlexiRods on deck. All right, sections, and I'm going to start in the back, working front to back like she did. So then she says she's going to grab her Flaxseed Gel. Mine is pretty thick too. And I'm going to work it into this section. All right.
In medium-sized sections, just wetting the sections as I go with a bit of Flex Gel. When I do rod sets like Flexi-Rod,
wait a minute, when did she use the butter? Hold on. Okay, I see in the comments it's pinned. She applied the Flaxseed Gel, then a bit of the butter on top to hold it in and make the hair softer. Okay, so first impressions of this, what it feels like on my hair. It feels good. It feels lightweight. And yeah, I mean, it feels like a butter. Wrap it around the roller. And she's doing like that. And get a good, nice ends. Nice ends. Then roll it. Nice end, roll it. Nice and roll it. Then we just kind of tuck it like so, right? Okay, starting out on stretched hair. Go grab just a little bit of flaxseed. So small amount, working it in really, really good. Especially those ends. Gonna grab this butter. Nice, thick, creamy consistency. It's nice to know that it pairs well, you know, with a DIY flaxseed gel. So I am liking that. Definitely get it on my ends and it's getting nice and smooth. I want to get some bomb results like she did. They say taut, keeping the hair taut. I am going to roll it here, getting it nice and smooth. A few turns here, and then I'm going to windmill it, going up the thing just like she did. Oh, okay, this way. And there I go. And it's staying on there just perfectly. And work it in. It's blending really, really well onto my hair. Like, it is absorbing well. It's not just sitting on my hair. Now, as far as the hydration of this butter, I definitely feel like it's hydrating, and I definitely see why she says it's biddable, because it is lightweight. Like if you have fine hair, I can see how this butter could work. Even if you have thick hair, just add more, you know. And it's very moisturizing. You see what my ends were looking like before, but still repeating those same steps from earlier. Going from this bushy mess to this moisturized situation right here. Curls are popping. Yes, I'm definitely loving this butter. All done. And this is what I'm looking like. Got a few janky looking ones sticking out over here. Clearly I'm not sleeping with these. I know she had used a couple of ribbon ties to kind of gather them. I have slept in FlexiRods before and it's just not worth it. So I didn't use much. I don't know, you can't really tell. That looks like I use a lot. I didn't. There we go. Boom. I did not use much, like at all. Like I barely put a dent in it. I dug more on one side and then the others. I didn't use much. I mean, this is going to go a long way. Like, this is going to go a very, very, very long way. I don't know if these are dry, but if they're not, we're going to make it do what it do because I am tired. And I am not sleeping in these. Nice, pretty curl. So my hair is not fully dry, but I'm gonna take these out and pop them in the dryer because like I'm still gonna get some bomb results from these, I can tell, but I can't sleep in these. And yeah, I can't sleep in these. Like, I like my sleep to be comfortable. But as you can see, the definition is bomb. If you see any chunks of anything, that is my flaxseed gel that I made. So we looking real nice and shiny over here, but I got to get these bad boys dried. I'm gonna go pop back up under the dryer, give these a little bit more time to dry, and then it's gonna be time to separate these bad boys, but I can tell that they're going to be a winner. My hair is so soft. You can tell that some really quality ingredients went into this. I'm popping back on the dryer with these focus to the top, and hopefully this will encourage it to dry. So this is what we're looking like for hair that didn't dry all the way and then was rushed. I ain't mad at it. Plenty of bounce and shine and definition. So this is what we're looking like on that side, and then this side still needs to be separated. So I am just separating where it naturally separates, just like she does in the video. And mind you, I'll probably will get some frizz because of some parts of it not being dry, but it's all good. But get into these results, get into this bounce, get into this shine, like get into all of that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. This is cheating. This is the good cheating. This is cheating a FlexiRod set. I love it. Yes. You did that, girl. You did that. This is a very good product. My hair feels really good. Really, really nice. I did not have time to wash my hair this week, so I literally came in with the FlexiRods, and I mean, it's really springy and bouncy. Look at that. Pulls it down, pops back up. But this is it. Like, I love it. Like, this is so bomb. So bouncy, so springy, and my hair feels so soft and moisturized. It really feels hydrated as well. Like, I am loving these results. Ooh, I forgot all about my sucker. Because this is how you cheat. This is how you cheat. I'm here to show you. I got sucker. I got sucker. Do you get a sucker? Did you get your sucker? Because I got mine. Did you get yours? Because I'm not sharing. Look, it's too late.
And that is all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next Tuesday.